Hey guys, this is Mary Saikia. Well, first of all, I'd like to wish you all a Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year. I hope that you all are having a great time. Well, today I'm here to announce that one of our song, Rondhre, had been released in the new YouTube channel of JWM Motion Film Production, and some other videos are also going to upload in the same channel. Well, we have received a lot of love and support from many people, so thank you so much for that. Well, the reason behind I came to say and announce something today is that due to some technical reasons and issues, the previous channel won't be used currently right now. And the team has released a new channel from the same name as GWM Motion Film Production on YouTube. And all the previous videos were also uploaded in the channel as well. So guys, to get all the further updates and videos and movies that they are going to release, do subscribe the channel. And I wish all the very best to the entire team of GWM Motion Film Production for the immense and great work that they are doing. So all the very best to all of you guys, and Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year to all of you once again, guys. Thank you.